What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to Midwest Test Fishing. Today we are at this tiny little creek. We're just throwing out some night crawlers and seeing how many species we can catch. So let's get to it. All right, so we've got our little hook. Just gonna thread on some of the night crawler we already took a pinch of, just like so. Cast it on out. Gonna throw it in that corner and see if there's anything hanging out in there. Hits already. There we go, set the hook. Let's see what this is. Ooh, awesome. Looks like a little bluegill here. Nice. Healthy little bluegill. Well, first catch. Pitch it on back out. Reel in that slack line for some little thumps. Wonder what that was. Kind of drag it along the bottom. See if we can't get a yellow bullhead or a little creek chub. That is a rock. That's a fish. Looks like maybe a smallmouth. Nope. There we go. That's something new. This is a nice little yellow bullhead. Nice little yellow bullhead. Not something I catch often, so it's really neat to catch them when I can. Neat little fish. Give him a nice little release. There's some bites. What was that? Whatever it is, it's still on. Oh, spit it. Some bites. Set the hook. There we go. I don't know if this is another bluegill. Ah, species number, what, 3 or 4? It's a little green sunfish. Hook pops right out. Set the hook. There we go. This one's fighting more. Oh, a little bit. I'm just sort of dragging him in. Is that another bullhead? Yep. Bullhead number 2. I'll get a release on this guy. Did a little flip for us. A lot of bites. Oh, there we go. There's one. This one feels a lot bigger. I'm guessing it's another bullhead. And I would say I guessed right. Neat little micro catfish. Healthy too. Oh. Quick release.